Mair here with Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing the best vegetarian protein packed meal. So let's go, let's do that. It's gonna take 30 minutes. Let's just jump into this. What's up you guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Mairbornhungry. Today we are making the protein packed meal of a vegetarian ingredients. So I have a red lentil, I have a yellow lentils, I have a ginger, tomato, cilantro, onion, garlic, and I have this baby spinach. I have some home ingredients in the spices. I'll be telling you each and everything step by step. So let's go, let's do that. It's going to be a very enjoyable process, and at the end we will end up with the delicious flavorful dish. First thing first, this is a whole baking cup. Add 1 baking cup of yellow lentils, and then we will take 1 cup of red lentils. Just add it right here. Take some turmeric powder, add some turmeric powder. I would say half tablespoon in here. Regular water. You know what we have to do. Now we will boil this. At least just put it on your high flame stove, and boil this for 15 to 20 minutes. So our lentils are getting boiled with some turmeric. We will turn on the pan So we will turn on the stove for our pan. So here is all the magic gonna happen. We will add at least 10 spoons of vegetable oil, since it's a vegetarian recipe, guys. We will grab 1 medium-sized onion, chop it. Once you slice, we will add the first thing in our pan. This is our famous pan actually, so onions. This is actually, guys, an Asian recipe, or you can say Indian recipe or South Indian recipe, but let's just circle this whole recipe as an Asian recipe. 5 cloves of garlic. Just rough chop these, guys. As you chop it, just add it here. We will take some ginger and just rough chop it. 20 grams of fresh ginger. So this is the ginger. It goes all in here. We will give it a stir. So at this point, you know what we will do. You have to stir fry the onions, the garlic and the ginger until the onions are light brown color. It's going to take at least maybe 5-6 minutes, but let it just be. So here our lentils are getting boiled. It's been 5 minutes. We have to wait 10 more minutes on it. As you guys can see, our onions are turning light brown to brownish color. So this is the time we will be adding. This is mustard seeds, half tablespoon. This is cumin seed, half tablespoon. This is coriander seeds, crushed, half tablespoon. These are whole red chilies, at least, this is just for the looks, at least 4 or 5 of them. Again, turmeric powder, half tablespoon. Red chili powder, since it's an Asian recipe, half tablespoon. Give it a stir. What a beautiful color it had formed. So let these ingredients get stir fried for 5 minutes. In the meantime, you'll take 2 tomatoes, fresh one, and just rough chop them. Once you rough chop it, just land it in your pan. Goes right here. Give it a mix. We haven't added any salt or black pepper yet. And now add half cup of water in here. Once you add half cup of water, here guys, we will put the lid on top and let it cook for 5 minutes, so until the tomatoes get soft and it forms a paste. This is what we are looking for. Just 5 more minutes and our lentils are getting boiled in the back. Boiled lentils. It's been 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how it looks, guys. You guys see, these are the yellow and the red ones right here. I added turmeric, as you guys saw. So this is the texture we need. All right, here, this is our pan with tomatoes, onions, and all dry spices are getting roasted. So see, tomatoes are soft. We'll just stir mix it up so they form a perfect paste at this time. So here are our lentils right in here. Alright, at this time again, give it a stir mix. Look at the colors. Wow. And the chilies, it's looking good. Alright guys, this is garam masala. It's like 5 seasoning of the Indian version. We'll add half tablespoon. We'll take salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. So this is our baby spinach, right? What we will need 1 handful and 2 handfuls. So 1 handful of baby spinach goes in here, and we need just 1 more handful. You guys see, it goes all in here. It's actually looking good. Check the spinach on top of this. This is all protein version of a vegetarian meal dish. Alright, once you add the spinach, cover it again with the lid on top, put it on medium-high flame and let it cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll show you what to do next. Been 10 minutes. Alright, you guys see, just give it a stir so all the spinach get mixed up. The lentils are not sticking at the bottom of your pot or pan. Wow, it looks so good. At this time you can test your lentil for the salts, for the pepper, but the quantity I have shared with you guys, it's all perfectly fine. Okay, now put your stove onto simmer. We are almost done right there. So here we will test it. It's actually good. You guys can see, we can see the spinach in there, we can see the lentils, the tomatoes are mashed up, everything looks perfectly fine about this recipe at this time. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. And guys, I'll show you how to present this recipe. A vegetarian protein packed meal is right here. Give me just 5 more minutes. Guys, the wait is over. Okay, turn off your stove. This is how it looks. We have some baby spinach leaf. Gonna make it look appetizing. It's appetizing. Some cilantro, and here it is, guys. So here it is, guys, the spinach and the lentils, perfectly done. How you can eat this: put it on top of white rice, just like that, mix it up, so nice. And here is your bite. Take a look. It's so hot, I'll take a tiny bite. Wow, naan bread, dip it right in here. And this is your bite. You can add a chili if you are a fan of a chili, right there. This is your perfect bite. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let it settle down. It's super hot. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and bye bye for now. Remember again, this is a protein packed vegetarian meal. Enjoy.